Are you stuck for ideas too? You need to scamper. Hey, it's Damien Munier. Welcome back to Young Startup, where I explore the tips, tools and thinking you need to start young, start smart, start up. So you're looking to create new ideas. You've just had a great brainstorming session and now suddenly you've hit a wall. You and your team are stuck and struggling to generate any more new ideas. This is the perfect time to consider the SCAMPER technique. SCAMPER is an acronym for a series of thought sparkers which can help to think differently about your problem, a product or service, or any situation by looking at it through different lenses. I'm going to quickly go through and explain each letter, but then I'll provide a really well-known example and show you how they've used SCAMPER to create something new. And if you stick around right until the end of this video, I'll give you a great link with lots of great guiding questions to help you dig deeper into each of these concepts. S stands for substitute. Can you substitute or change something in your product or problem or process? C stands for combine. Can you combine two or more parts, ideas or materials in your product, problem or process to create something new? A stands for adapt. Can you adapt or change something in your problem or product or process? You might need to reshape something or even improve a factor. M stands for modify, magnify or minify. Can you change the color, the sound, the motion, form or size of something? Can you make it larger or stronger or even smaller and lighter? P stands for put to another use. Can you change the when, the where, location, time, or how your problem, product, or process is used? E stands for eliminate. What can you get rid of, cut out, or simplify in your problem, product, or process? And finally, R stands for rearrange. Can you change the order, the sequence, or the pattern of your problem, product, or process? So now let's apply that SCAMPER technique to understand how Uber created a new model for taxis in the rideshare industries. S, substitute. Uber decided that there was no need for special licenses or cars. They substituted in anyone with a car and a license to be an Uber driver. And by doing so, they lowered the entry barrier and allowed their network of cars to grow really quickly. Combine. Uber combined the power of technology with the taxi industry to create an app-driven taxi service. Everything from booking, rating, and payment is now delivered through their app. A, the adapt. While Uber continues to adapt their offerings every day. What started as a pretty simple idea now has different ride types and vehicle sizes. You can pay extra for more premium vehicles. They're also offering carpooling now and bill splitting, and they're always looking to adapt their product. M, modify, magnify, or minify. Well, one of the biggest aspects that has been magnified by Uber is safety for both the customer and the driver. The car tracking that you see in the app is a great safety feature, as is the rating feature for drivers and customers. P stands for put to another use. And when I think of Uber, I think of Uber Eats. So not only are they now moving people around, but they're also moving food around. So they've put their drivers to another use there in a very clever way. E stands for eliminate. And the biggest thing I can think of that Uber has eliminated is the need for cash. It used to be when you jumped in a taxi, you need to make sure that you had the money on you or that they could take card. Whereas now it's all done through the app electronically, which is so much easier for the customers and also for the drivers. It's a much more reliable, secure way. They know that they're going to get their payment at the end of each ride. And finally, R, rearrange. Well, Uber really flipped the whole process on its head. Now you agree to a price before you enter the vehicle. So there are no surprises for the customer when you get to the end of your taxi ride. Or, from the driver's point of view, there are no payment concerns for the driver. So that's the SCAMPER technique. The next time you're stuck for ideas, remember this very handy acronym. It might help you think differently. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for sticking around until the very end. As promised, in the video description I've linked to a great document from the folks at Interaction Design Foundation. It has lots of guiding questions for each letter of that SCAMPER acronym, so you can dig deeper with each of those ideas. Good luck scampering. I'll see you, young startup, in my next video.